Guys, if you like McLarens and you want to see where they're worked on, keep watching this video. What's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel, welcome to the vlog, and welcome to Newport Beach, California, the world famous. I am here to pick up my McLaren 12C from servicing. Shout out to Mr. C's Towing, always over here grinding out. It is. Oh, and it looks good too. So stoked to have the car back, guys. First drive since having it fully serviced and under warranty. It's time to jam. Just pulled up to Exotic Specialty Services here. Brought our toys. Gonna see what they got going on. It's always nice when you see a 570S just on the lift. So that's always fun. The owner drives, let's check out his car real quick. The owner drives this gated R8, which is sick. Look at the titanium on the exhaust. I love when they turn that blue color. Sick car. Let's go see what they got going on inside. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like to try to be quiet when I'm in shops, but look at that. I'm gonna be bringing you guys a lot of this content kind of in the shops of where these McLarens get worked on and whatnot. Here we have another 12C. Ooh, some unique wheels on that.
As well, right? Well, this is less resin rich, and look, it's not yellowing.
Right.
So it's again, the resin's failing itself.
Because on my
So what happens when carbon gets really hot,
it did the same
guys?
thing like this.
Turns this yellow
Except
gold
one of them
color.
was a huge big blotch.
Yeah.
I mean like a blister. Like
It looks
Yeah.
weird.
That's I put the sides on it.
Fine, yeah.
And then on this
Sick when you just see titanium exhaust laying on the floor next to a 12C and a 570S and an Alfa Romero getting an exhaust job done. Look how small and nimble this car is. I mean, I don't know if it's nimble, but look how small it is.
If it was a clear failing, no
Wow.
problem. That's easy.
Oh, this place is sick.
Yeah.
God, I love the finish on this car. Check it out, guys. It's like a, like a steel finish or something. This car is sick.
Yeah, let's see how. See, this is the resin. You see that? That's the actual resin. It's not clear. So unfortunately, like I said, the only thing we could really do is we could take the clear off. We could put a little bit of flake in there, and then put candy over.
We
then
know
clear
what we're
over
all
it.
here for.
And basically, it was
McLaren.
instead of you, like,
It's
kind of like
McLaren. It's
poking
McLarens.
that. That's pretty sick. So, yeah, poking on it. That's awesome.
Let's go check
Yeah,
out
I'll
the
leave the key, though.
highly spec 12C. So this 12C has everything. And as we get around to the back, you'll see that it is definitely not stock. Wistek did a great job on this car, as well as my buddy's 650S that he also has in lava orange. But check it out. This is one of the first cars. This is the car that pretty much started it all for me, was this lava orange 12C right here. I saw this car 5 years ago in a post office in San Marcos when I was sending out some clothes and stuff, and for my clothing company I ran into Mark here, and he was kind enough to talk to me about his car, and obviously had a huge influence on me and the rest of my life, and now I'm the owner of this right here. Literally my dream car. I dreamed of having this car, fantasized about it, I worked hard for it, told all my friends and buddies that I was going to be getting it. They all kind of said, oh yeah, that sounds cool, and it happened. Just got it back from servicing at Newport, and paid for a warranty extension. That's a big thing I'll be making a video about soon, is having the warranty extension on these cars if you can have it. For my car, they're only going to be having it until 2022 or up to 70,000 miles. After that, I'm going to have to go to a secondary warranty extension shop, so to speak. But check it out, guys. This car's perfect. I absolutely love this car. It's got the swipe to open doors. Hey guys, thank you for watching today's video. Like, subscribe, and comment below and let me know what we want to see on the next one. Much love.